Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now in today's video, I will show you how to add an image carousel in Power BI. This feature is useful for making dashboards more interactive and visually engaging. So if you want to make your reports more dynamic, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Power BI tips. Now let's get started. I will show you now what is this image carousel first. Just when you open Power BI, you in this visualizations, you will see this get more visuals. Just click on that. And in the search, you can type as image. This we can see that. Just click on it. This image carousel. What we have to do is we have to simply add this, and this visualization will get added in our visualizations pane. Now it is imported successfully, so just click on OK. So we have loaded this visualization in our visualizations pane. Now why is this important? Image carousel, why it is important? So it enhances the visual appeal of our reports. It allows us to cycle through those images dynamically. Now, if we are having many of images in our table, so we have to show those images also. So for that reason, this image carousel is there. So it is great for storytelling and branding within dashboards. Now we know what is storytelling concept, right? So if we are presenting any story, so we can slide the images and then we can explain our things in this within this dashboard only. So let's see what is the use of this. Let's just quickly design this some of the canvas background. Now what you can do is you can just go on browser, and now I don't even have data set, so let's see we can get any data set. Log into your Kaggle account. We need image URL in our any one of the column. So let's see what we have. The columns like which we have is name, image, URL. Yes, we want this thing, and name is also important. Rest of the things we can keep or we can remove it. So image available. Okay, so we can take this data. What you have to do is you just have to first you have to log into your Kaggle account. Then you can just simply click on download, and then this file will get downloaded. So you can download the zip file. So when you will download, you will see this kind of archive file. So what you have to do is you just have to right click on it. Right click and then extract option will be there. You can extract it anywhere you want, and then this data QSIN, it was name of that data set, so it has been extracted and I have extracted it over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open that in Power BI. Before that, now as it is data QSIN, so like food image were present over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take any of the image of, let's see what I can do. Just going to add an image to my dashboard. So this also we can take. Then we need to remove the background of it, and those stuff you can do. This is also nice. So you can choose any of the image whichever you want. So now we are again in a dashboard. Now we have the data. So what we are going to do is we are just going to take that data. So we were having the data in CSV. So we'll select the CSV over here. This was the data QSIN and data set, right? So we'll just open it. This is the preview of that data set. Let's just transform it. So this is a Power Query editor. We have entered into a Power Query editor. So it has already promoted the headers and changed the types. So we are not going to look at the data types and all. So the two things which we need, that is, if we have ID also, then also it is okay. Here we have the name of the things, we have this recipe things. I think these are the food items. Yes. So these things are the names are present of those items whichever are there, and the images are there. So you can see that 990 are distinct values and 980 are unique. So there might be some of the duplicate images also present. Here it is 1000 distinct and 1000 unique, means all the dishes are different. Here also it is 1000 distinct, 1000 unique, means like description of the there, those things is also unique. Here, here there are 49 distinct values, 12 unique values are present over here. 14 and 1 unique, 10 distinct, 0 unique. So these things are there. These columns are not that much important for us now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close and apply. So now as we have downloaded one of the image, so I'm just going to click the and take that image. I think I will go with this. Let's see what time. Let's reduce the transparency. It is not getting properly. Remove it. Let's take other. Okay, I'm going to keep this. If we fill this, then it is not okay. Let's see. So this is not the major thing that we want to do. We'll just keep as it is, like this is, and then give a name to it. What a topic is, I'm going to give name that only. Select it and format it according to your needs. It's too big. It's too less now. Okay, this is good. Bold. Font, we'll keep this. Okay. Now we are learning that topic, that's why I've gave this name to it. Okay. And I don't want any background to it, so I'll just make this background off. Okay. So this is that. Now we have as we have loaded this image carousel, we are just going to select it. So see, it is asking us a slideshow for cycling through series of images. So let's just shape it according to our need. Okay. So now in this data set, we have this image URL, and here we have this add data fields here. So what we are going to do is we are just going to select this image URL, and see the images are being sliding. So if we come over this, then it will get zoomed also. So this is not looking good. So what we are going to do is let's make some of the changes. So when we will come on this visuals, we have this properties option, and that auto slide is there, means it will automatically slide. Or if we want, when we click and then we want to slide it, then also we can just off this. Hover to zoom and image count. What I'm going to do is, now it is too flattened, so what I will do, I will add two images in one face. So you can see now these two images are looking a bit better. Now interval, now it is swiping too fast, so I can increase the interval, and then it will, see, it has reduced the time, like it is sliding a bit slow. And then space between image, if you want to increase the space between image, then you can increase it. Now I am not going to increase. it is okay for me. And let's just give this a proper title. In this we have this title, it is on, and I'm going to give this as name as, it should be bold. Its text color should be, let's just keep it, okay, let's just keep it black only, and it should be centrally aligned. Okay, look a bit better. Let's increase the font, its font size a bit. Okay. So this is how we can add image carousel to our dashboard project. Now this is mostly used whenever we are creating the concept of storytelling or like that. It depends upon our needs or how we want to design a dashboard. So in that cases we can use this. Hope you must have understood the concept and you will create interactive creative dashboards from this concept. So, and that's it. You have successfully added an image carousel to Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more Power BI tricks. Also drop a comment below if you have any questions, and see you in the next video.